February, so I'm going to introduce my backpack today. What are you doing?